Hello there, my name is Kate and I am a teacher with Speak Confident English. Today we're going to talk about ordering coffee at Starbucks. Before we get started, make sure that you subscribe so that you don't miss any of my videos. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps me. Also, I have a quiz for you after this video so you can check your understanding. The link will be down below. Let's get started. Ordering at Starbucks can be kind of overwhelming. There are so many different options and choices. In this video, I am going to teach you some sample phrases and some sample questions you can use when ordering your coffee. The first thing you may hear when you walk into a Starbucks is, "What can I get for you?" This is a very common thing for baristas to say. When someone asks you, "What can I get for you?" they're asking you what you want to order. The most basic response would be to simply tell them what you want. For example, "I'll have a large latte." However, if you want to be a little bit more friendly, you could also say, "Can I get a large latte, please?" By adding please, you're being more polite. If you're not sure what to order, you could ask the barista for a recommendation. You could say, "What do you recommend?" Or "What's popular right now?" The barista might respond, "Our most popular drink is the pumpkin spice latte." If you want to know more about the drinks that they recommend, you could follow up with, "What do you recommend for someone who likes sweet drinks?" Baristas are usually very helpful and they'll help you find something that you like. Once you know what you want, it's time to order. At Starbucks, there are 3 main sizes: tall, grande, and venti. A tall size is 12 ounces, a grande is 16 ounces, and a venti is 20 ounces. So if you want a large coffee, you could say, "I'll have a grande coffee, please." Or if you want a small one, you could say, "I'll have a tall coffee, please." At Starbucks, it's very common to add milk to your coffee. If you want milk in your coffee, you could say, "Could I have a latte, please?" A latte is a drink made with espresso and steamed milk. The word latte actually means milk in Italian. Another popular drink at Starbucks is the cappuccino. A cappuccino is similar to a latte, but it has more foam in it. If you want to order a cappuccino, you could say, "Could I have a cappuccino, please?" Of course, there are other ways to add milk to your coffee. You could also order a macchiato. A macchiato is espresso with a little bit of milk. Or you could order a flat white. A flat white is similar to a latte, but it has less foam in it than a latte. If you don't drink milk or if you're lactose intolerant, there are other options for you. You could ask for non-fat milk. You could ask for almond milk or oat milk. All you have to do is add the word light before the word milk. For example, "Could I have a light milk latte, please?" You may have noticed that I've only used could when ordering these drinks. That's because when you're in a situation like ordering at Starbucks, it's polite to use could instead of can. It sounds more polite. Now let's practice some sample conversations. Customer: "Hi, what can I get for you?" Barista: "Hi, I'd like to order a drink. What do you recommend?" Customer: "Our most popular drink is the pumpkin spice latte." Barista: "Okay, I'll have a grande pumpkin spice latte, please." And here's another conversation. Customer: "Hi, what can I get for you?" Barista: "Hi, can I get a tall cappuccino, please?" Customer: "Sure. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss any of my videos. And if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. You can download the quiz for this lesson at the website below. I'll see you next time.